Welcome to Rex Living, where everyday life gets a little more beautiful. I'm Jason, an architect, interior designer, home cook, and very amateur gardener. And though that last part may not sound very convincing, I can assure you, I've got some skills. This channel is really an extension of how I see the world. I've always been drawn to the details, the way a space feels when you walk into it, the layers of a well-cooked meal, the character of a building at golden hour. I'm endlessly curious about why certain things work and why some places feel magnetic and how small choices shape the way we live. Rex Living is where I get to explore that curiosity out loud. This is a space for good food, thoughtful design, inspiring places, and the small moments that make life feel well lived. Never perfect, but intentional. I've always believed that how we live matters, making things personal and about you, designing your life in a way that makes it easier and more beautiful. I'm gonna have a lot of opinions and a lot of advice on things, so please take what you can from it, and if any of it doesn't resonate with you, by all means, don't listen. But if you can take away a few small tips here and there, then my mission is complete. Rex Living is about paying attention to those small things. From kitchens to cities, from objects to experiences, we're exploring what makes life not just full, but beautiful. And I don't mean beautiful in a glossy, untouchable way. I mean beautiful in a way that feels personal and lived in and chosen. You'll find recipes here that are elevated, but doable, design ideas that make a space feel more like you, travel that's about curiosity and not just checklists, and conversations about style and living well that don't take themselves too seriously. Because here's the thing, we live in a designed world. Every room you walk into, every product you buy, every city, street you wander down, someone made choices. Someone shaped that experience. And I think it's worth asking, what choices are we making in our own lives? That's what this channel is about. Taking a little more ownership, being a little more intentional, editing thoughtfully, adding what matters and removing what doesn't. And most importantly, having fun with it. This isn't about chasing trends or pretending we figured it all out. I definitely haven't. It's about curiosity, about developing taste, about noticing what gives you that tingly feeling and leaning into it. About cooking something new because it feels interesting, rearranging your room because it could feel better, booking that trip, trying that thing, whatever it is. If you care about yummy food, great design, amazing travel, and modern living, and you believe everyday life deserves some attention, you're in the right place. So whether you're here for inspiration, ideas, perspective, or just something good to watch with your coffee, I'm glad you're here. Welcome to Rex Living. Let's live well and let's get into it.